Hey, what's up guys, this is EIO back again with another video. So OnePlus has now finally confirmed that its upcoming smartphone will indeed be called the OnePlus Nord. Also, the company claims the phone will make the premium OnePlus experience accessible to more users. But is it really any good? Let's find out in this video. So the CEO of OnePlus, Pete Lau, confirmed that the OnePlus Nord will be priced at under $500 price tag. So it means the device will be priced in between $400 to $499. Now coming to the specs of the phone that are being almost confirmed. When it comes to the display, the phone will indeed offer a flagship experience with a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with a Full HD Plus resolution and the key feature a 90Hz refresh rate. OnePlus yesterday posted the first part of a 4-episode documentary series based on their future plans, in which they also revealed the display design of the upcoming OnePlus Nord. So as you can see from this screenshot taken from that episode, the video show a phone with dual selfie sensors in a punch hole cutout and a flat display with trimmed bezels all around. However, we can't see a 3.5mm audio jack at the bottom of the device, so this likely would be the official design of the OnePlus Nord. However, when we talk about the performance department, as per a ton of rumors, the OnePlus Nord will be powered by 5G integrated Snapdragon 765G processor, which is a mid-range chip. Now at this point, it makes it a lot similar to Oppo Reno 4 Pro that was launched around a month back in China. The Reno 4 Pro also has an AMOLED display, 90Hz refresh rate and a 765G processor. So yes, believing the rumors, the OnePlus Nord will gonna be just a rebranded Reno 4 Pro with Oxygen OS. And if the phone may cost more than $450, will you really gonna buy it? As the OnePlus 7T, which has a better processor than this device, is now available at around $480 to $500 price tag. Anyways, the OnePlus Nord is also expected to come with UFS 3.0 storage along with up to 12GB of RAM. The phone will also house a 4300 mAh of battery with 30W warp charging support. According to a leaked survey, the phone can come with a main 64MP sensor and a 16MP wide-angle lens together with a 2MP macro lens. OnePlus Nord will also feature two front cameras, a 32MP main sensor and an 8MP wide-angle lens. So this is all about the specs of the phone. Still, it sounds like the focus this time will be on the price, which we are hoping to be under $450. What do you think? Let us know in comments below. If we move to $450 to $500 price category, we are getting many other Chinese options that has Snapdragon 865 under the hood, just like the Mi 10 Pro. So that's all for this video. Hope you guys have liked it. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.